A very good evening to all my dear students. There is a very good question of class 11 physics and the language is like this. There is an object on which the force given as 3I cap, 4J cap plus 12K cap. The unit will be in Newton. It is not written in the question, but obviously it has to be like this. On the object, the force is acting like this. It is in vector form. And the mass of the object is being given as 26 kg. What we have to find? We have to calculate the acceleration. Very simple question. We have to use the formula. Force is equal to mass multiply acceleration. All of us know this formula. Right. Now we have the force in the vector form. So first of all, we need to convert it in the scalar form. We have to find the magnitude. All my students know that when the vector is being given, how to find the magnitude. So we have to use mod f and magnitude will be under root. First will be 3, square of 3 will be 9. Next will be 4, square of 4 will be 16. Last will be 12, square of 12 will be 144. If we add all these things, we will get the answer as 169 and the value will be 13 Newton. Right, students? Now the force is there as like this. Apply the formula. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. 13 is equal to 26 into acceleration like this. So final answer comes out to be 0.5 meter per second square. Students, if you like the question, language of the question, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks to everyone.